Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I sound a little like congested and a little bit coldy because I have a cough and I feel a little stuffy, so that's why I feel like I sound a little funny right now. But I want to do my Boxy charm. I've been getting Boxy charm now for about 3 months. So I want to show you guys what is in this month's Boxy charm box, because for the past couple months I feel like I've gotten some pretty good things. Some things I'm like, I'm never going to use this, but some things I think I've gotten and I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. The first thing I want to talk about is this Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder. I just did a video on it, like a review video on it, giving you guys my honest opinion and all that stuff, so I should have the link down below for you guys. 25 grams, and this retails for $32. I think that's a good, that's all I'm gonna say. You guys should go check out the video to see my honest opinion. Next is the Tarteist shimmering lip paint in the color Insta Famous. If you hear a little girl in the background, that's my cousin. Oh, it's this color. I'm not a big fan of this color personally. It's like, actually that's not true. I do like colors like this. It's pink iridescent like glitter in it. I think it's pretty. I'll swatch it for you guys. My hand's a little dirty and it's fine. Like dirty with like other makeup products, like, because I just filmed a tutorial on it. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I don't like this because it's too sticky personally. I'm not a fan of lip gloss. I might just give it to my mom, but that's it right there. Next is this cosmetics. I don't know how to say it, you guys, okay? I'll admit it, I don't know how to say it. But it's an active charcoal detox mask. The Tarte lip gloss retails for $20. This face mask retails for $30 for this little thing. Oh my goodness. For 1.3 ounces, it's $30. But I'm going to give it a go because I love a good detox mask. So that's the third item. The next item is a lip liner that retails for $12 by Bodyography and Heather Berry. Well, that's a pretty color. I don't know if I would wear it. I might wear it. I don't know. I feel like my lips are very similar to that color. Honestly, whatever. I'm not impressed by that. The next is a Prestige palette. This is what it looks like. There's like people in front of it. And this palette retails for $34. You get 6 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters, I guess. That's what it looks like. Honestly, I have colors similar to this. They're gorgeous colors though, like this highlighter. Look at that. Pigmentation Central, yes. This color is gorgeous. This one's screaming my name. It's the Structure. It's that one right there. That one's pretty too. Looks like swatched. I think, you know, overall for $21, this is some like great stuff that I just received. I'm putting everything back in its box because I don't have a lot of space. For $21, I think this is a great like box, and you get like full-size products. I think honestly the only thing I'm not gonna use is the lip gloss and the lip liner, but everything else I'm totally gonna use. I am going to use this mask tonight because I have a lot of texture going on my face again, and it was doing really well, and I just want to keep up with that. I want to have my smooth skin back because for 6 months in Texas I had so much texture, so hopefully this mask will help with that. I think I am going to do a review on this mask because $30 for 1 ounce, 1.3 ounce is a lot for this mask, and I want to give it a review because is it really worth the $30? You know, whatnot. So if you guys like this video, please leave some love by liking it or thumbs it up, subscribing to my channel, and telling your friends about me so we can all be friends. Until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye.